لبعد شنو ننم عندم عرشنا يا
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. حشمالي نكتتاني تساهم مدرسة له ونقعنا قاد تمتينم. Hello everyone, welcome to SAHO School. As you see here, we will be looking at lesson 19 and it's gonna be negative and positive statements, and we're gonna see also some pronouns and negative markers. So before we proceed to the lesson, please do remember to subscribe, share and like the video.
لبعد شنو ننم عندم عرشنا يا
Okay, مرحبا حشملي كتتانت ونقعنا قاد نوقحتينم. Welcome back everyone. Okay, now we're gonna see negative and positive statements. So when we pick up on the SAHO statement, it goes like this. For example, anu follow bete, anu follow bete, anu follow bete. In English, it is I ate food, I ate food. So how can we make it negative? Negative agina akabno dhicna nadxenko anu follow mi betiyo, anu follow mi betiyo, anu follow mi betiyo. I did not eat food, I did not eat food. Anu follow mi betiyo, anu follow mi betiyo. Nibro lama, nibro lama. Misal nibro lama. Example number 2. Okay, this is a cat. Dummu, dummu. Okay, so in a sentence, atu dat dummulito, atu dat dummulito, atu dat dummulito, atu dat dummulito. Okay, in English, you have a black cat. You have a black cat. Okay, also I am marking pronouns. Before we have seen number 1, anu, anu follow bete, anu follow bete. In number 2, atu, that is second person singular, atu dat dummulito. You have a black cat. Okay, how can we make this negative? Atu dat dummu malito, atu dat dummu malito. You do not have a black cat. You do not have a black cat. Atu dat dummu malito. Okay, so nibro adoh. This is a house. Tati arekini. In example, usuk, usuk, third person singular. Usuk are dhaame, usuk are dhaame. How do we say this in English? In English, he bought a house. He bought a house. He bought a house. So negative or negative statement. Usuk are midamina. Usuk are midamina. Or usuk are midamo. In English, you can say he did not buy a house. He did not buy a house. Okay, so number 4. Number 4, this is milk. Time hankin, han. Okay, Ishi han toocobe. Ishi han toocobe. Ishi han toocobe. She, third person singular, feminine. Okay, she drank milk. She drank milk. She drank milk. Ishi han ma cabina. Ishi han ma cabina. In English, it is she did not drink milk. Another pronoun is, we have here a red car. Asa makina. Asa makina. In a sentence, nanu, 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 that's we. Nanu عصا ماكينة لينو. نانو عصا ماكينة لينو. نانو عصا ماكينة لينو. In English, we have a red car. We have a red car. Okay. How can we say this negative? How can we put this in negative statement? Nanu asa makina malino. Nanu asa makina malino. Nanu asa makina lino. No. Nanu asa makina malino. In English, you can say, we do not have a red car. We do not have a red car. Okay, this is a dog. The color black. That kare. That kare. That kare. Okay, Atin the kare tublin. Atin that kare tublin. Or Atin the kare tublin. In English, you saw a black dog. You saw a black dog. You saw a black dog. Right. In negative, how can we put in negative sentence or statement? We can put like this. Atin that kare maballitini. Atin that kare maballitini. Or Atin that kare maballitini. In English, you do not see a black dog. You do not see a black dog. Or you didn't see a black dog. Right, number 7. Last example sentence. This is a lion. SAHO ay makna? SAHO ay makna الحين? lubak. Lubak. Okay, lubak. Usun. Usun, third person plural. Usun. Usun, they. Usun, naba lubak yibbirhin. Usun, naba lubak yibbirhin. Usun, naba lubak yibbirhin. In English, they caught a big lion. They caught a big lion. They caught a big lion. How do we put this in negative statement or sentence? Usun nabalubak mabbarinoni. Usun nabalubak mabbarinoni. So in English, you can say they did not catch a big lion. They did not catch a big lion. They didn't catch a big lion.
لبعد شنو ننم عندهم عرشنا يا